Hey, it's Andrew Helmich here from PhotoBizX. Back in episode 330, I interviewed Johl Dunn. And if you're not familiar with Johl, he's a mindset and business coach, a photographer first, but a mindset and business coach today. And in that interview, he was telling me that he averages $2,800 per session, so per portrait photography session. And we went on to talk all about mindset and how he's making the kind of sales that he is. But during the interview, he dropped this bombshell that 90% of his bookings come from two different styles of Facebook ads. So I hit him up after that interview and said, look, are you happy to come on and share what those two strategies are for my premium members? He said yes, he agreed to do that. So I recorded a follow-up interview with Johl, and you can hear exactly how he implements both those strategies in that interview. Now, it really is only available for premium members. So if you are a premium member of PhotoBizX, you can access it in the members only area. If you're not familiar with PhotoBizX or you're a free listener, you can access this training for $10. I'll add a link in the description below this video, but you will be blown away by these two strategies. And like I said, they are accounting for, what did I say, 90% of the bookings that are coming into his studio. He's averaging $2,800 per session. I'm just looking at some of the details here, and he's doing a lot of sessions. These are all studio sessions. This will work for outdoor shoots or indoor shoots. He prefers studio photography because he can shoot a lot more. He's not dependent on the weather. It means he's close to where he's working and he can pump clients through. That doesn't sound really nice, does it? But he can get through a lot more shoots. He can make a lot more families happy with his photography by shooting in the studio. You will love both these strategies. Like I said, I'll add a link in the description. Check them out. If you're not sure yet, go back and have a listen to that interview, episode 330. It's photobizx.com/330 to hear the interview with Johl. Get an idea about him and his approach. You'll hear the bombshell about the two Facebook ad strategies. Then if you want to access them, come back and check them out for $10 or become a premium member and access the content for free. All right, Andrew here from PhotoBizX. Hope to see you inside the membership. And please, please, please go and check out the two strategies from Johl if you are struggling to generate bookings and to make the kind of sales that Johl's making from his bookings. All right, talk to you soon. Bye for now.